Hi guys, this is gsn.com and I'm here with the unboxing of the Allview X4 Soul Infinity Plus. We already unboxed two other Infinity phones. These come from the Romanian company Allview and they have an interesting 18:9 aspect ratio. They inaugurated that format. This is sort of their flagship because it's the biggest model of them all, the X4 Soul Infinity Plus. 6 inches, also a MediaTek Helio P25 processor. This is the unboxing and the price tag is $513. Dual camera phone, it's got a warranty here, and this is the biggie we're talking about. 6 inches, but it feels incredibly light in the hand. At 156.4 grams, measures 8 millimeters in thickness, and this beautiful looking backside is made using IML art technology. It's supposed to be some sort of revolutionary material derived from polycarbonate, but with a glow that reminds me of glass. Sapphire glass protection for the dual back camera, but let's see what's inside the box before talking about the phone some more. So for a bit over $500 you will get the following. So we start off with an USB Type-C cable with a special type of wire here, extra reinforced. Then as you can see, we have the SIM pin used to access the slots, and also special dongle adapter from USB Type-C to full USB. And then we have the charger, which seems to be quite generous in output. 5 volts 2 ampere, goes up to 12 volts 1.3 amperes, which is not bad. And also a pair of headphones, which are not bad looking at all. Actually a bit on the premium side, if I may say so. They look quite nice. So this is clearly a more premium affair than the previous Infinity phones. The list goes on with a protective film for the screen, a special case which has cutouts for the fingerprint scanner and the dual camera, plus some more instructions, and underneath this piece of the box even more instructions thanks to this big old manual. Here it is, quite detailed. X4 Soul Infinity Plus 4G dual SIM phone, 6GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, and all the goodies one can imagine. Okay, so put this aside and time to fire up the phone, see what it's all about. I can already notice that it has a special LED flash for the front camera, so selfies will be quite lit up. Now you have to know that this is a dual SIM handset that has a 6-inch screen, 18:9 aspect, and a Full HD Plus resolution, which means 2160 over 1080 pixels. It's an IPS LCD panel with Gorilla Glass protection, and we're running on Android 7.1 Nougat. We also get the special Romanian vocal assistant called Allview, and the CPU is the MediaTek Helio P25, an octa-core chipset we've seen around over the past year. So 6GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, micro SD card slot, night sky color hue, which is quite nice. The back camera is a 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel shooter with bokeh, dual LED flash, and 4K capture. The front camera is a 13 megapixel shooter with an LED flash. We also have 4G LTE category 6, USB Type-C at the bottom of the 2.0 variety, fingerprint scanner at the back, audio jack here, and there's also a 3050 mAh battery inside. As you can see, we have slightly rounded corners here for the screen, which remind me of the LG G6 a bit. Also the Galaxy S8 setup was new. X4 Soul Infinity Plus, it's on the right path. So we have the Allview vocal assistant. We've seen it on quite a few phones. Sapphire glass protection for the camera, selfie LED flash, a sturdy metal frame, and Mira Vision technology for the screen and its tweaks. Okay, we are about done with the phone. If there is one phone from Allview which is set up to receive Android Oreo as fast as possible, this is probably it, because it's so well spec'd. The interface seems to be rather straightforward, not much customization, well, except maybe for the drop down area, which seems to get a few new hues. Camera interface right here, couple of goodies. I seem to have seen bokeh, film mode, HDR, beauty, panorama, watermark, child, QR code scan, and possibly even more options and settings, which are actually new compared to the other options we've seen before, and I'm talking about UI here. So this is the Allview X4 Soul Infinity Plus, the flagship, the 6-inch of the 6GB phone, launched in September this year by Allview, and it's here at gsn.com for a review and unboxing. Priced at $513, we'll be back in 2018 with this review. For now, bye bye.